안녕하세요. Welcome back to Korean Language Trainer. In the last video, we talked about consonants. Now let's talk about vowels. They are three basic vowel letters: sky, ground, person. The shape of these letters represent the sky, the ground, and a person. In Eastern philosophy, the sky, the ground, and a person are referred as the three elements, or three energies that are considered the fundamental elements of all things. When creating vowel letters, this idea was applied, and the vowels are a combination of these three shapes. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, 유, 으, 이. Now let's take a look at the diphthong. There are 11 diphthongs in Hangul, which are formed by combining two or more simple vowels together. The compound vowels are 아, 이, 에, 야, 이, 예, 어, 이, 에, 여, 이, 예, 오, 아, 와, 오, 이, 왜, 오, 아, 이, 왜, 우, 어, 워, 우, 이, 위, 우, 어, 이, 왜, 으, 이, 의, 에, 에, 예, 예, 왜, 왜. In principle, they have different pronunciation, but in modern times, they have almost the same pronunciation. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 에, 예, 과, 왜, 워, 위, 왜, 의. That's all for this video. In the next one, we will start learning how to combine these consonants and vowels. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.